Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. It's getting pretty hot outside, which I'm not going to complain about. But one thing I thought it would be cool to do a quick video on and clarify is a lot of old heads will tell you that if you want to save gas, don't use your AC. Roll your windows down. What's interesting is that actually isn't true. When you roll your windows down, it interrupts the airflow around your vehicle as it's moving forward. Your vehicle is designed in a very specific fashion to make sure that it's as aerodynamic as possible to achieve the best fuel economy possible and look good. And when you open your windows, it actually interrupts the way that air flows over the car and has a bigger impact on your fuel economy than just using your air conditioning, which does affect it a little bit, but it's relatively marginal. So I didn't know this, but we were told to do a video on it, and it's actually kind of cool. So if you're looking to save some gas, just come on by and buy a car with better fuel economy, but don't heat yourself over by not using your AC.